Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to be walking through how to find email address on Facebook profile. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, you have to open that profile. You want to find the email address. I'm going to opening that profile, and after opening the profile, click on about and click on contact and basic information, and here you will get the profile email address if they set it their email address as public, and if they set it their email address as private, then you won't be able to find their email address on their profile. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.